Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. And in this video I will show you my first skateboard that I got from Amazon, and when I receive it I will be unboxing it and showing you how it is. So this is basically from the Amazon site that I'm going to buy, and here are the specifications. I'll just close it for the picture. And as you see here, we have the specifications right here. It is 79 by 20 centimeter, which is ideal. And they said it's a 7-ply skateboard made of Canadian maple wood and 85A rolls. That means the wheels. Okay. And here are some of the specifications in detail. Here we go. So yeah, this is the package dimensions and everything. And so the wheels are not LED, mind you, they've just given it somewhere, but they're more or less the normal wheels. So okay, and there are other choices as well. Here, as you can see, there are just suggestions which are a little cheaper, and they say that okay, the designs are probably you'll find it better. But why I chose this specific board is because of the ratings. So it has almost 4.5 stars from 944 reviewers. That means it could be really good. And if you go down wider, you see all the good reviews here from different people who have bought it. So that is why I have chosen this board as my first board. So if you are in Germany and you want to try your luck in skateboarding, you want to learn it, so I would suggest you this board. And once I get it, of course, I'll be showing you the unboxing video, so stay tuned. So I've just received my skateboard from Amazon, and this is how the packaging looks like. And next I'll be showing you the unboxing and what I actually got in the package. So let's go. And here we go. So this is the board, guys. As you see on the underside, it's good. The design is quite good. It's plastic, wrapped in plastic, and these are the wheels, and they are textured in such a way, radially. Okay, and the trucks seems stable for what I can experience. And then the board itself is a 7-ply board, as I told you in the specifications. And it's 79 centimeters by 20 centimeters. Okay, and I'll just grab a screwdriver and check the hardness of the wheels. And they're doing okay. The screwdriver is indenting it, but there isn't much permanent deformation there. So I think for beginners it's good. Let's see on the top side now. So we have really good grip tape right here, and yeah, it's good and textured here. Okay, the installation of the grip tape is good, and if you can see, the concave is also quite decent for better handling. And the nose, you can see the nose and the tail right here. And the bearings is okay for the price. I would say the bearings are okay. They're not the smoothest, they're not butter smooth to begin with, but for me, if you're a beginner and you're not nitpicking, the bearings are fine. But yeah, for learning, it's a good board. You don't have to invest 50-80 euros on an expensive board just to get a hang of it. Once you are fluent with riding a skateboard, I can suggest you better boards in the future. So yeah, that's my review for this. It's really short, but I would say yeah, it is quite worth it. You can definitely go check it out on eBay. I will give the links in the description below. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and don't forget to check out some cool tech videos at my boy Arnold's channel. I'll put the channel in the end credits. You can check it out definitely. And thank you again for watching. Take care. Bye.